Welcome to Renovation X, your go-to channel for transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary homes. Are you struggling to make the most out of your studio apartment? Feeling like you're constantly running out of space or that your home lacks style and functionality? Well, you're not alone, and today, I'm going to share some truly life-changing hacks that will completely transform the way you see your small space. We're talking about smart design, clever storage, and game-changing furniture choices that will help you maximize every inch of your home. Now, let me ask you, have you ever walked into a tiny apartment and thought, wow, this space is incredible? If so, chances are, it wasn't just the size of the apartment that made an impression, but rather, the way it was designed and organized. With the right tricks, even the smallest studio can feel open, inviting, and ultra-functional. And today, I'm going to share those secrets with you. Think about how amazing it would feel to come home to a space that's not just livable but actually enjoyable. No more tripping over clutter, no more struggling to find space for your things, and definitely no more feeling like your home is too small for your lifestyle. Whether you're working from home, entertaining guests, or just looking to create a relaxing environment, I promise you, these hacks will change the game for you. And trust me, these are not your average, just put up some shelves, type of tips. I've dug deep to find the most creative, space-saving, and stylish solutions that will take your studio apartment from cramped and cluttered to sleek and spacious. You won't believe how easy it is to transform your space with just a few simple changes. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover some genius hacks that will completely redefine your studio apartment living. Let's dive in. Studio apartments demand smart furniture choices. One of the best ways to maximize space is by investing in multifunctional furniture that serves more than one purpose. Think about a sofa bed that easily transforms into a sleeping area at night or a coffee table that doubles as a storage unit. Murphy beds are another fantastic option. They disappear into the wall when not in use, instantly freeing up valuable floor space. If you haven't considered multifunctional furniture before, now's the time. Another issue with studio apartments is that everything can feel like it's blending together, your living room, bedroom, kitchen, all in one open space. But you can fix that by creating distinct zones without putting up walls. You can use rugs to visually separate different areas, bookshelves or open shelving as room dividers, and even curtains or sliding doors to create temporary separations. These simple tricks can help define your spaces without making your apartment feel boxed in. When floor space is limited, look up. Walls are an untapped resource in small apartments. Floating shelves are great for storing books, decor, or kitchen essentials, while wall-mounted desks or foldable tables can be tucked away when not in use. Hooks and pegboards can help organize bags, hats, and even kitchen utensils. By going vertical, you instantly gain more storage without taking up valuable square footage. If you want your studio apartment to feel bigger and brighter, mirrors are your best friend. Place a large mirror across from a window to reflect light and make your space feel twice as big. Mirrored furniture like cabinets or coffee tables can add to the sleek, space-enhancing look, and a floor-to-ceiling mirror can create an illusion of height and openness. This is one of the easiest and most affordable tricks to instantly transform your home. One of the biggest struggles in a studio apartment is clutter, but the key to keeping your home tidy is hidden storage. Choose a bed with built-in storage drawers underneath, use ottomans and benches with hidden compartments for extra blankets or shoes, and mount storage baskets on walls or the inside of closet doors to keep everything organized. With the right hidden storage, you can keep your apartment looking sleek and spacious, with zero mess. Dark colors can make a small space feel even smaller. Instead, stick to a light and neutral color palette to create an open and airy vibe. White, beige, and pastels reflect light and make a room feel bigger, while glass and acrylic furniture help maintain an open, unobstructed look. Sheer curtains allow natural light to flow freely, keeping your space bright and inviting. A simple color change can make a huge difference in how your studio apartment feels. If you love to entertain but don't have space for a full dining table, consider expandable or foldable furniture. Wall-mounted drop-leaf tables can be folded away when not in use, stackable chairs can be stored easily and brought out when needed, and nesting tables provide multiple surfaces without taking up much room. These smart furniture solutions let you have the functionality you need, only when you need it. When living in a small space, less is more. The more clutter you have, the smaller your apartment will feel. Stick to the essentials and adopt a minimalist mindset. Declutter regularly. If you haven't used something in 6 months, donate or sell it. Avoid oversized furniture, opt for sleek, space-saving designs. Stick to a few statement decor pieces instead of overcrowding shelves and surfaces. By keeping things simple, your apartment will feel more spacious and stress-free. The kitchen in a studio apartment is often tiny, but with the right hacks, you can make it super functional. Use magnetic knife strips instead of bulky knife blocks, install pull-out pantry shelves to use every inch of space, opt for hanging storage like a rail for pots, pans, and cooking utensils, and invest in collapsible kitchen tools like folding dish racks and measuring cups to save drawer space. These simple kitchen upgrades will make cooking in a small space a breeze. Just because your apartment is small doesn't mean it can't be stylish. Make it feel like home. Add greenery and plants to bring in natural beauty, use artwork and personal decor that reflects your personality, and incorporate textured fabrics and cozy lighting to make the space feel warm and inviting. With a few personal touches, your studio apartment can be both functional and beautiful. And there you have it. These game-changing hacks will help you make the most of your studio apartment, turning it into a spacious, stylish, and highly functional home. With just a few smart changes, you can completely transform your space and enjoy a home that truly feels comfortable and inviting. But wait! We're not done yet. For those of you who want a more personalized approach to your apartment transformation, we've put together a detailed guide with even more expert tips, recommended furniture, and step-by-step layouts to make the most of your space. The best part? It's absolutely free. Just click the link in the description to download your copy. Also, if you're in need of one-on-one guidance, we're offering exclusive design consultations for a limited time. Whether you need help selecting furniture, organizing your apartment, or creating a customized floor plan, our experts are here to help. Book your free consultation now, spaces are filling up fast. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Renovation X. And if you've tried any of these hacks, we'd love to see your results. Drop a comment below and share your transformation. Your studio apartment is about to become your dream home, and we're so excited to be part of your journey. See you in the next video.